As the island awaits full resumption of cricket, at least one academy has taken it upon itself to have young players engaged after more than 2 years without competitive games. More in this report.
With no competitive cricket for young players over the last 2 years, Bryce's Cricket Development and Enhancement Academy recently held a 3-game series involving several of the island's top youth players. The academy, which is responsible for West Indies under-19 invitees Jordan Johnson, Nicholas Lewin and Justin Beckford, has been playing its part in helping to lift the standard of Jamaica's cricket.
The aim for most of our youngsters is to go to Jamaica and then further from Jamaica to go play for West Indies. And we can see the state of which West Indies cricket is now. They need the younger players to step forward to make the team better.
Academy Director Elvoy Bennett says this is in keeping with what other countries are doing.
Because if you look on all across the world, India, Australia, England, most of the young players, they're starting an academy at the age of 12, 13 years, and that has enabled them to reach the highest levels quicker than most other persons. So this is something new in Jamaica, and I think it's a wonderful initiative by Andre Bryce to start this academy.
Junior Grace, a parent of one of the players.
We have a developmental problem in Jamaica now, even as you know, a lot of cricket is not playing. And anywhere we can get out the youth from nook and cranny, it would be a good look, knowing the state of West Indies cricket right now, where even Jamaica, you see even Scorpions, the batting has let us down so poorly. And if we can harness great talents and we can put them on showcase and ensure that they have good development in terms of technique and availability in the sports and get them to love it more, I think we can do better in the near future.
And even though there were only 3 games, it meant the world to the players.
It's very important. The corona came, mash up a lot of cricket for a lot of youngsters to have the opportunity to play here. It is excellent.
Mr. Bryce done a good job, you know. It's a good thing for the youngsters, because through the pandemic, there's not much cricket playing. So for us to get this opportunity to come forward and showcase our talent, it is a good thing for us to do.
As Coach Bryce say, big respect to Coach Bryce. Came out and did his thing and started up a little thing. I'm very appreciative to play some cricket and get back in the groove. Because you know, we've been rusty, not playing any cricket, anything. So big up to Coach Bryce.
The academy has been home to several national and West Indies representatives, including former West Indies under-19 player Kurt McKenzie Jr. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.